Oh my god. My neck.
Oh.
My neck's sore from the fall.
When you landed there, you landed like this, like
Did I?
yeah, like back first, like,
Oh,
into the
shit.
tree, right?
I
Yeah.
stopped it all of a sudden. I was like, oh my god.
Shit.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh. You got the whole fall in video?
If the angle is right, maybe. Yeah.
Like, did you look over it? Yeah. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be cool.
Oh, suspension is locked, right? Fuck. Too late now, just go.
I did.
For the uphill, right? Does it bounce now?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I did that.
That's
Oh my
I know.
god.
When I was riding there too, I'm like, fuck, feels hard as fuck.
Yeah.
Then I realized,
But
oh
the
yeah.
speed was a little higher, faster.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Because it's not taking any hold.
Any absorption, it just fucking goes.
Yeah. I remember going through that because Linda was late, and I was like, I wasn't going that fast.
Oh fuck. There's a jump here too, eh? Oh, wrong gears, holy fuck. Do you want to take child's play or you have enough energy or?
Is it 420? Yeah, that's right. I head still towards the.
It goes kind of up,
Yeah?
then down the roller coaster and out.
Okay.
Someone's